Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll learn how to check total virtual memory on Windows 11. It's super easy. So first you have to go to the search button, click and write system information. You know what? I wrote sys and it shows system information. So I'm just going to click it. Once it is opened, let's maximize it for better viewing. So you'll have some information about your computer, and then you just need to scroll down. This is where you'll see the total virtual memory that you have. You'll also see the physical memories that you've installed, but this is what matters. We're here to see the virtual memory. So this is super easy, and this goes for Windows 11 and Windows 10 and probably other earlier versions too. If you're being helped by this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.